There's animals, and everybody loves animals. Out here, we usually take care of the basic needs of our animals. Goats, pigs, chickens, ducks. We got guinea pigs, hamsters, rabbits, you name it, we got it. You gotta make sure that you know that you're taking on a big responsibility for them because you are their caregiver. So you gotta make sure that you're cleaning properly, sanitizing properly. You gotta make sure you clean off your boots and things like that to keep them safe and healthy. There's animals, and everybody loves animals. My favorite part about being their teacher is being able to offer them an opportunity that they wouldn't have had beforehand. They kind of get a grasp about the introduction to agriculture. Then they go to my animal science 1, feeding the animals, they learn about different species. And then they go to my introduction to vet science, where it's more about becoming a veterinarian, clinical and hospital procedures. And then finally they finish their years off here in the program with my grooming class, and they learn how to, from everything, how to do a full service groom to maintaining clients, bringing in business, keeping the lab clean, as well as some of those clinical and hospital procedures.
I've always wanted to be a veterinarian and be hands-on with animals and things because it's really something that means a lot to me. At first, I thought it was just learning about FFA because I didn't know that we had all of this back here. Then I became a sophomore and I seen all of these animals here and I was like, wow, I didn't even know we had these type of things here. And that wasn't something that you seen really in the city, like schools having agriculture programs. That's something that you see in more rural areas. We always recruiting people into our program, just bringing people down because a lot of people that go to this campus don't know that we have this program down here. So when they find out, it's like, wow, if you like animals, this is the place to be.